While Nix is an amazing tool for environment configuration, we know that many developers use Docker for containerized isolation. Depending on your machine and experience with Docker, setup can be tricky. In IDX, we support a one-line config for enabling Docker support in a workspace. To add Docker support in an IDX workspace, open up the dev.nix file. Here, you can set up Docker through our services API. After an environment reload, open up the terminal and the Docker CLI is ready to go. In this project, I have a Docker file for a Flask app. I can build the container, start it, and it spins up the server. I haven't set up the preview window to load the app, but I can either control-click down here or go to the IDX settings to go to an open port. Now, this Docker-based Flask app is up and running with just one line in a config file.